one killer of British troops in Afghanistan is IEDs. Improvised explosive devices or homemade bombs that the Taliban dig into the ground to target troops.
The bomb squad may look like an ordinary active duty soldier, but behind this is a highly trained and specialized soldier, one that is a part of a bomb disposal team in the army. If you think it is just like the movies entering the bomb zone with only a clipper cutting the red followed by the blue wire, well, you are so wrong. We don't usually cut wires like they do in the Hollywood movies because it's dangerous unless in extreme situations where there are hostages. The job is extremely intense and very demanding, and only a select few can actually get into this program.
Is everything clear?
Okay, assessing the situation now.
Possible bomb situation, 100 meters down.
Sergeant Haley and Officer Matthew assess at 10 meters.
Bomb threat confirmed. Repeat, bomb threat confirmed.
Assessing the situation now.
Weird, the bomb seems to have no wires. It seems to require some sort of injection to deactivate the bomb.
There are instructions. Isolate the product methyl salicylate.
We're going back to the compound. I will need a reflux condenser, centrifuge, salicylic acid, 0.8 moles of saturated sodium bicarbonate, dichloromethane, sulfuric acid, methanol, boiling chips, a beaker, disposable pipettes, and a hot plate. Let's write out our plan. First, complete a reflux reaction to increase the rate of the reaction and make the reaction favor the products. Completed through the reflux condenser using a solution of 5 drops of sulfuric acid, 5 milliliters of methanol, and 1 gram of salicylic acid.
Then why run reflux?
The overall reaction is exothermic, as you can see here, and we know this because the bonds that are breaking are also the same as the bonds that are forming. However, the methyl group is more stable on the methyl salicylate than on methanol, so the reaction is slightly exothermic. By increasing the temperature of the reaction, it increases the speed of the molecules, allowing more molecules to have enough energy to overcome the activation energy. As a result, the extent of the reaction increases. However, the concentration of the reactants and products do not change as there is no introduction of used or new species. By adding in sulfuric acid, it acts as a catalyst that lowers the activation energy of the rate-limiting step, thus making the forward reaction faster than the reverse reaction. This shifts the reaction to form more product until equilibrium is re-established. However, a catalyst has no effect on the extent of the reaction. It only speeds up the rate of the reaction by lowering activation energy.
Alright, so we should run reflux for 45 minutes then. Then we can complete the pH extraction by placing 4 mL of dichloromethane in the solution, which will isolate some of the methanol from the solution. If there's a layer of methanol with dichloromethane, then extract that but keep the rest of the solution. Next, place 7 mL of sodium bicarbonate in the solution with dichloromethane in our product. Extract the sodium bicarbonate as it isolates the water and leftover salicylic acid from our product. Then you can repeat this wash 3 times. The purpose of doing the sodium bicarbonate wash is to extract out salicylic acid and water out of the product layer. It raises the pH of the solution, and when salicylic acid is in the pH range of 2.98 to 13.6, it is primarily in its charged conjugate base form, which can be seen here. This makes salicylic acid go into the charged aqueous layer. By doing the sodium bicarbonate wash multiple times, it takes more of the salicylic acid out of the organic layer. The sodium bicarbonate wash also removes the water out of the organic layer because the water molecules will be more likely to interact with the sodium charged ions than with itself. This moves the water into the aqueous layer and out of the organic layer, leaving just dichloromethane and our product methyl salicylate left in the organic layer, which can also be seen here.
We can then just burn off the excess dichloromethane and methanol, leaving just our product, methyl salicylate.
Got what I need today. Now my home is ready for the holiday. Every everything I need in one site. Santa's to help me do my shopping online.
Being a good host can be so stressful, but with your selection, I'm always successful.
Furniture to flatware, it's the season to save at wayfair.com.
Just kidding, we survived. We did this through our confirmation through our GCMS and NMR.
GCMS is so slow.
As you can see, the NMR shows peaks at 11 ppm and multiple peaks between 6.5 and 8, and then a peak at 4. The peak at 11 represents the hydroxide bond. The multiple peaks around 6.5 to 8 represent the aromatic hydrogens. The peak at 4 represents the ester group. The peaks are also shown in ChemDraw. It is confirmed that our product was not contaminated with silicic acid because there is no peak that represents the carboxyl group. Our percent yield was 4.588%, and our product was 95% pure based off of our GCMS.
You're meaning to say we could have just bought this for $10.99 at a Park Ave market?